If you are blocked, watch this, but you need to hear it. You need to hear it and you need to understand it, because this can be the source of the solution that you are looking for being broke at the moment. No money, stress, stuckness, all these comes to you when you are feeling blocked. However, you might be asking yourself why you are blocked. Everyone else feels like they are moving forward except you. But there is reasons behind this. You need to understand every kind behind this situation and understand how you can deal with every situation. This is why being broke is not bad lucky, but you need to understand why do you feel blocked? Why am I feeling blocked? Why am I different from each and everyone? The first problem that can cause this one is having no skill. If you don't have any skill, you do not have income. If you don't solve problems, you don't get paid. That means you need the skills to be able to solve different problems, and from solving these problems, you are getting paid from it. To build the income, of course, that is where it gets started, by building skills. Too much distraction. If you are distracted much, also this can be a situation which causes you to be broke. You are having distractions and you are scrolling, watching, waiting, while your life stays the same. That's the reason why you need to understand what to do and what to advance, what to do and what to focus, how to set direction. If you don't have direction, this is going to be causing you being blocked. No direction, no plans, no focus. Just you are hoping that the things will be changing themselves. However, this is a different. You need to have direction, you need to have objectives, and you need to have the goals that can be taking you to the direction. If you are not having directions and you're sitting there waiting that everything will change itself, that can lead you to being blocked. And this leads you to every day asking yourself that maybe it's bad lucky, but this is not. You need to understand the reason why you are blocked, and also you need to understand the reason why you are not having direction and solve it. The good news is that you can fix all this today, and you can also turn this around. How to be able to fix this? The solution you can take, which is the number one, is that you have to learn at least one skill. For instance, you can learn editing, coding, sales, training. Just pick one that you can be able to use at the moment. We have different interests, but you can choose. For instance, if you go into sales, you can be selecting affiliate marketing and participating in sales, video editing, coding. If you are passionate about it, just build one skill, and by building this one skill, you can turn it into opportunity which is going to be source of income to you. It is very important to have at least skill that you're building at the moment, and also from building that skill, you can start thinking of how you can benefit it. Be consistent daily, 2 to 3 hours every single day, no excuses. If you are building a skills, also be consistent. That is the reason. If you are building the skills, don't feel that you're bored, don't feel that you're tired, because as you build the skills, that is the reason why you're getting experience, you are getting understandings, and you are aware of what you're doing. As you build the more much skills and more in you, that is also the more opportunity increases to you, and also you can be able to start benefiting from the skills you have built into yourself. Start small, grow fast. Don't wait to be perfect. Start now, and small, grow fast. You don't need to start to be perfect, because there is no perfection that will exist in front of you. What you need to understand today is that if you are learning, for instance, editing, start editing at the moment. Don't wait to be perfect. No one will be perfect, because every day and every hour there is advancement, there is technology change, and this can lead you to not being perfect. However, if you are starting using what you have and what you can be able to do at the moment, this will come and also will be able to adapt to them. As you start small, as well, you are getting experience, you are able to solve different challenges, and you can be coming also advanced in this situation like this. The hard truth is that nobody is coming to save you. You have to save yourself. Don't change today and next year looks exactly the same. This will be a problem. Avoid this truth. This is the reality. But you need to avoid if you are today like this or tomorrow be like that. Do these tips and from there you can change today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or suggestion, you have to leave it in the comment section.